A stock chart can tell a story, not just about price, but about strength, momentum, confidence, and opportunity. But the challenge is knowing what to actually look for. Because professional investors don't analyze stocks randomly. They follow a structured process to identify companies with real potential. So, what exactly do they look at? Let us start by understanding how we can analyze a stock like a pro. It starts by looking beyond the headlines. First, check the key fundamentals. Is the company growing its sales and profits? Are earnings improving consistently? Strong stocks are usually backed by strong business performance. Next, look for institutional support. Are mutual funds and large investors buying the stock? Because when institutions accumulate a stock, it often signals confidence in the company's future potential. Then comes something many investors ignore: industry group performance. Even great stocks perform better when their entire sector is strong. That's why professionals focus on stocks coming from leading industries, not weak ones. Now bring everything together using proprietary ratings. Instead of checking dozens of data points manually, ratings help you quickly understand a stock's overall quality, growth strength, and market leadership. One of the most important metrics is the RS rating, or relative strength rating. It shows how strongly a stock is performing compared to the rest of the market. Because winning stocks usually outperform before they become obvious to everyone else. Professional investing isn't about finding random stocks. It's about identifying strength early and following a structured process. Analyzing stocks isn't about memorizing hundreds of numbers. It's about focusing on the signals that truly matter. When these pieces come together, investing becomes less about guessing and more about making informed decisions with confidence. Start analyzing stocks smarter and invest with clarity.